In this video, we are going to show you how to use the AI assistant in Elfsight. If you want to use the AI chatbot to help you with your stuff, it's quite simple. All you need to do is when you are in your elfsight.com website, you want to click on the profile icon. Once you've logged in, by the way, once you sign into your account, click here on the upper right corner where your name is at over here, and clicking this will bring you to your dashboard. So let's wait for it to load. There we go. So once you're in your dashboard, now you want to look at the lower right corner of your screen where the Elfsight icon is located, and this is practically where most chatbots or messenger or chat options are available. So clicking on this, you're going to see this. As you can see here, we are trying to figure out this question. And it has given us our answer. So you can just pretty much ask it anything, and then it's going to help you the best that it can. So as you can see here, how I was able to assist you today, would be grateful if you could take a moment. So there's also going to be a feedback form when you first start talking to it. And again, you can just ask anything and it's going to answer you the best of its ability. And yeah, pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.